right, dear. Well, we're heading way out to Lakewood to Kipling again to work on another fireplace, I guess, today. Then what?
Ahora estamos en downtown, en el centro de Denver.
We're going out there to do that. Huh? Oh, something about downtown Denver. He's looking at something.
Ah, bullshit!
Looking at some bullshit downtown Denver. Shut up, bitch! I told him. I told him, shut the fuck up, bitch. Yeah.
Downtown Denver.
Oh, he's taking pictures of downtown Denver.
It's for my country.
Yeah, for his country to see.
Denver.
Huh? No, he got his mama's camera. Pictures. Yeah, weenie head. Yeah, he's a weenie head, alright.